This is gonna be a core exercise. What you are gonna do is bring the cable attachment all the way to the bottom, single rope. I'm gonna put it on the cable machine. And it's okay if you have like a double pulley system. Just do lighter weight if you do have that. I'm gonna slide it far enough away from the cable machine that when I rotate, I'm not letting that weight touch all the way down. So tailbone's tucked under, feet are even. Hips, don't let your hips shift like this. See how my hips are rotating? Do not let that happen, okay? I want your hips stable. Keep them there. This will work a heck of a lot better because then you're just rotating from the top up. I'm gonna slide forward a little bit because I want this cable machine slightly behind me to get that good pull across. So I'm here, both hands are palms down, grabbing onto the cable machine, one a little closer to the attachment, one at the end of the rope. Tailbone's tucked under, I'm not letting my hip shift, I'm letting it pull me back, and I'm rotating across. You should be able to see that core burning. And I'm rolling on my glute bone area, so this might look a little funny, but